What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup, where I rap and unbox things and do other random shit. Sorry, I'm like delusionally tired. I've worked the past 3 nights, and I get off work at 7:30 a.m. and it's like noon, but I'm like, I want to do this unboxing before I go to sleep. So, okay, this is the Allure Beauty Box. It's $15 a month. You get 5 to 6 deluxe full-size items in a red box. And it comes with a... Is that Jaclyn Hill? Oh my gosh, it is. A pamphlet, which I love. I love that they give you a pamphlet. Oh, and it has my freaking favorite foundation on the back, the Hourglass foundation. Okay. Well, Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. It says if you have oily or combination skin, this primer is going to change your life. And now you're thinking, blah, blah. So, price $54 for full size. More for oily skin, but this is a really nice primer. I've tried it, but it's been a while since I've tried it, and I'm really excited to get it again because I really liked it when I did try it. And it comes in a nice, like, frosted glass case. It says Hourglass and then Veil, but is it a pump? No, it's a little spatula. And then, it feels like satin. It is, oh, it's the smoothest primer like I've ever felt. I love it. Ooh, and it does a pretty good job of covering up pores. Okay, so the next product is, oh, whew, this is gonna be an awesome box for me because I love Jaclyn Hill, and I always take her recommendations and buy anything she talks about in any video. I think I have to buy every single piece. But I would say like 90% of the things she has recommended I have been obsessed with as well. Okay, so the next thing is, it is a Morphe M433 blending brush, which I have about 5 of these. But they are like a very good dupe for a Sigma E25. They're not as dense as an E25. They are almost identical. Okay, it says a ride or die, my absolute favorite eye brush of all time. The most multifunctional brush that I own. Jaclyn Hill loves her a Morphe brush. The quality, the value, but this may actually be her favorite of all time, and for good reason. The goat hair bristles are slightly longer in the center, making it ideal for packing on powder, defining the outer crease, blending shadow out, and even applying color in the transition area. Price $6. Oh my gosh, this jacket keeps popping open. So, yeah, I love a brand new brush. That's like one of my favorite things. Especially with the goat hair bristles, because when they get older and you've washed them so many times, they start to get a little wider and it's not as soft. But, yeah, I like to put the color on my outer third with this, and then I'll slowly bring it in and pat it out. I love this brush. Okay, the next product is this Dior Show Mascara. Price $28.50. I have this mascara. It's a very, very good mascara. It's in 090 Pro Black. Here is what it looks like. And the brush. It's a nice, thick, fluffy brush. I really love this mascara. An updated wiper system guarantees that when you pull the brush out of the tube, you get the perfect amount of mascara goop on the bristles. Tiny fibers were added to the formula so you get even richer, longer looking lashes. Okay, so when I first saw one of these mascaras where I guess it puts the perfect amount of product on the brush, here I'll show you, I thought I broke it. I was like, it looks like I broke it. It's just really odd. But I'm glad that it wasn't me, that it's just the mascara. It is this Allure Matte Waves Texture Lotion. Sexy and effortless. 2 words that accompany virtually every description of beach waves. How do you... It is 0.5 ounces. Glide into damp hair, defining waves and natural texture as you go. Apply bronzer while you air dry. Good. It's an air dry product. I love air dry products. That is all I've been using. I've blow dried my hair like once in the past 2 months. Here is what it looks like. Ooh, it has a really nice scent. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. This is an awesome, 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 awesome box so far. Oh my god. It's like this box is almost like my ride or die tag items. It's crazy. This is the best, probably the best box I've ever gotten, almost. Probably, yeah, I don't know. The next item is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Press Highlighter in Champagne Pop. This highlighter is everything to me. Like, you don't even know. Me and this highlighter have a special connection. Like, it just speaks to me. Like, I wore it seriously almost every day for like over a year. It was ridiculous. And I am so glad that I got another one, because my full-size one, I've hit pan. It's almost empty. I was just like, no. Okay, so price is $38 for a full size. If you have not tried any Becca highlighter, you are not living. Opal, if you have darker skin, Opal is amazing. Also Pearl's one of my favorites. Alright, so let's move on to the next product. And it is this Purity. It's by Philosophy. Purity Made Simple one-step facial cleanser. You know what's kind of ironic? So I have a full-size one of these, and I'm almost finished. And I'm like, man, I wish I would get one in one of my subscription boxes. And I was thinking that for like months, and I never got one. And I'm like, fine, I'm just gonna buy one. But then it's just kind of ironic that now I get a Purity, Philosophy Purity, after I've already bought one. So it says this creamy formula has won multiple Allure Reader's Choice Awards, and it's easy to see why. The milky white liquid foams up to quickly whisk away makeup, unclog pores, and leave skin feeling velvety. And that is so true. That's one thing I love about this cleanser, is that when you're done washing your face with it, your face doesn't feel tight. You know how some cleansers can make it feel clean, but it's like so tight, like you can't even move. This makes it feel clean, but it's still like plump and moisturized. It's not like that tight, dry feeling. And it's good for about like all skin types. It is my favorite face cleanser. And that is it. So that was my Allure Beauty Box for the month of December 2017. I cannot believe it's almost 2008. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe because it's the smart thing to do, and I will see you in my next video. Peace, love. Hope everyone had a wonderful holiday / Christmas, and Happy New Year.